Go.
Go, 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 go. Come on. Yeah, there's some people there. Well, get in quick, there's people. Oh. There's a dog.
Right, boys, come on. How'd you go?
But it feels so like airy, doesn't it? Oh, well, that door's now open.
What?
That door's now open.
Yeah, no, there's a dog up there.
What do you mean?
There's a dog up there.
There's people up there, look.
Oh, hello.
There's a dog dead. Oh my life.
What did they do? They literally walk in and sit you up and look.
No. Bill, you said mirror.
Yeah, I know.
It's just behind that bit.
I see the fucking mirror.
They said behind the mirror. There's a mirror there. Bill, go to the mirror.
Yeah, I went on a minute to pick up the brick.
Oh no, that's not good. Why?
Just in case I'd start.
That graffiti bit.
So that's what we've got to put through to get out.
Oh. Well, I went on there last time.
Can we look here?
Well, I know we'll cross it. I kicked the screw. Joe, quick. People, quick. There's more than one. Bill, there'll be more than one.
What, pick person?
Yeah, it's the 4 of them. Just calm down.
Oh, so there's no more then? How do you have the confidence?
Huh?
No.
Is he on his own?
I think so. How did he just walk over? What's down there? Should we go down there?
There's a ledge, look. It's a ledge, there's no stairs. That don't feel stable. Have they?
He's there.
Yeah. Huh? Where?
Come on, I'm fucking smoking. You need to say we saw people.
No, Cole said we were just exploring, we didn't know it was off bank. Oi, no. Oi, that's someone's head, look.
Oh, that's someone's head, you fucking idiot.
Oh. Oi, they said a mirror. You said a mirror, there's a mirror right there. There's nothing there. Is there not? Look around, look around, look around. Oh, the mirror's there. There, look, in front of you.
This is right, shit. Yeah.
Where are you been?
I took a piss on it. It's asbestos.
What's in there?
I've been there. I want to go home.
I've been this way.
Yeah, I know, I've never been this way.
There's some point right there.
Well, these lights are tripping me out.
Why are you fucking idiot? That way.
Why?
It's cool. Suck my horse. No, suck my horse.
What is that? A midge? What is it? Bill, you need to show me this video.
I don't have.
Shit, fucking bother.
No, somebody's this. Look, this gives me bad vibes. What's in there?
What? I saw a glove. Glove there.
It's Jack's spiking glove. Is it not?
Let's just go and tell me back at the isn't it?
Yeah, he's just doing.
Oh, we've been down this bit, isn't it?
Oh, we haven't. Kyle, what's in there? What's in there? What's in there?
Body.
I don't know.
Go in there, fam.
What is it? What is it?
We're going to go in this with a towel, isn't it? Carl's got a shake back. Oh.
What's his name? It's the dead one.
Ooh. A dead body though.
We could probably get down there. NGL, come on.
I'll say go the other way. Just come this way, Bill. There's steps there, look.
Yeah, I know, look. They're all fucking bushed up. Go through that. We jump down there.
Supremist freestyler. I've got quite a good balance. Whoa! Yeah? What do you mean?
I can't do that.
Come here.
Like this.
Bill.
No, I've got this.
What bit? Oh, that bit over there.
Yeah, in a bit.
Mm.
Wait, go on already. Oh no, they're there. Wait,
Hello?
hello. Yeah?
I went straight through that gap there. How the hell are you supposed to jump that? Not that one. That one.
Why are you getting through that one?
Because there's a ledge there, you've got to go straight down the middle for that one.
Oh, yeah, do you need to...
If you can assist me. Bill. Whoa. Oh.
Go.
Go! No, we heard there's a police car around the back.
It run! Did you read a Gavin? Davis like bare weeding then,
That's the end of this video.